we are now, let's say, summing up and concluding this session, of course I missed a number of very important contributions, but I also gave a look in advance to the slide, so I think I can participate to, let's say, the overall discussion. Performance, reliability, and I would say in a separate way, modeling. These are, according to my view, three very important issues in our sector. I have to admit that the focus of this session seems to me very much about performance issues, but also modeling is something that is getting crucial in, let's say, the research performed in several different contexts, because for a very simple reason. I mean, I gave another speech that is closely connected to the subject of this session, where I said that innovation, that is fundamental, you know, to return to grow and so on, innovation brings complexity. And if we want to understand something more about complexity, modeling is a crucial resource. And we have to learn that, in general, the traditional scientific approach is not very good to gain very good insights when the complexity of analyzed systems is very high. What are your opinion about? Any different voice?
I agree that things become more and more complex, introducing more technology. And on the other hand, with the software versions, you have all kinds of license you have to buy and not to forget, especially in bit parts and so on when you do an offer to a customer.
Thanks. I would also say that a very important issue from the point of view of the end users is also reliability. I mean, the modern technologies give us the opportunity to deliver innovative and very advanced and also complex services. And the reliability of critical infrastructures and also of the applications that are used to deliver these services is getting more and more crucial. Please.
To me, one of the important things is where you do the modeling. On core networks, where you tend to have the expertise and you have the economy of scale, I think there's a clear case for investing in the modeling. When it comes to specific customer solutions, it gets more difficult to sustain that case, although we are looking at some application modeling for one of our customers.
Yeah. Thanks, Edward. A possible, let's say, approach in that is that we have to learn to mix public and private efforts. I mean, we have to maybe follow the same way specifically for projects which are very complex, or analysis which are very complex in terms of their development. And a way to face this criticality is to learn to mix the public and the private initiatives, as maybe the European Commission is asking from a long time. Anything more about the contents you have just heard? No more comments? So, I want to thank you, the speakers, for the valuable contribution, all the participants for a very interesting Q&A conclusion section, and I hope you will enjoy the rest of the event. Thanks, everybody. Thank you.